Hey guys, welcome back. Hey, it's been a little bit. Had a few problems arise with it. Last time I was having rockers going through my push rods. I was having spring retainers breaking, and I also had a valve spring that broke as well. Figured out what was wrong with it. I'm thinking I was running into a little bit of coil bind with my valve springs. So I downgraded down to 1.5 ratio rockers. So far it seems like it's doing good. So let's see how she runs. I also got an exhaust put on it. I got a BlackWidow Venom 250. It's a little custom work, you could say, but yeah, let's see how she runs. Just nice and quiet now. Nice for a daily. Don't need nothing too loud. My wife's pregnant, so don't need anything, you know, hurting her ears or hurting the baby's ears. But this is gonna be a nice daily. You know, drive around, have fun, take T-tops out during the summer. You know the drill. But couldn't be happier with the 6-speed that's in it. You know, probably sometime in the next few years I'm gonna put T56 in my Trans Am. I just love the, you know, cruising, 55, 60. It's about 1500 RPM. It's so much better than a 1 1/4. But I mean, it does really good. I hope it, you know, nothing else arises that's wrong. You know, I also, during the time since I last recorded, I put some new struts on the front. You know, old ones was wore out, probably the original ones that came with the car. I bought some IROC rims. I'm not really a fan of the white, but we'll see. You know, it might grow on me, or I might get some gunmetal gray and paint the spokes in it, that gunmetal gray, and then polish I don't know how to explain it. The outside of the spokes, I guess you could say. But you know, it's gonna be a good little daily. You know, it keeps great oil pressure, stays cool. I'm probably gonna get a 3/4 radiator for it, just to be on the safe side. I mean, it's still got the stock 305 radiator. I do need to fix my speedometer. You know, I ain't had a speedometer since I put a T5 in this thing, and that was 2, 3, 4 years ago. But now that I've got TAC, I mean, it's somewhat better. I've got a few little things I still want to do to it, but overall, I mean, honestly, I couldn't be happier with it. You know, it's nice and quiet, sounds amazing, and I mean absolutely amazing. I'm loving this BlackWidow exhaust. You know, probably everything that I own now will have it. It just, the exhaust tone of it just sounds so much better. I'm not a big fan of Flowmasters myself. I think they sound a bit hollow. I think they just, I don't know. Just the sound profile of them just does not appeal to me. Oh, something's on fire. But these BlackWidows, they've got like a slight hollow sound, but overall, I mean, they just sound amazing. sound smooth. I don't know. I really enjoy how they sound. I actually learned about these from a YouTuber. His name's Fort Speed Films. I'll leave his link down in the description. But go check him out. He's got some really good content. He's got a first gen Mustang. They put these Black Widows on, and I love the sound of it. You know, I'm not a Ford guy, but damn did that thing sound good. But I'm hopefully sometime this year I'm gonna put some Black Widows on my Trans Am. Maybe put 6-speed in it. Maybe this year, next year, something. I've got a T56 from a '94 Trans Am that I've got to rebuild. I think synchro completely went out of second gear, and I think that's why I had to take it out of this. I don't remember exactly. This one needs rebuilt a little bit. It's synchros and thirds wore out. Reverse it jumps out of, but it's a good transmission. It does good. It's good for what I want it for. But let's see here. See, it sounds good. Sounds nasty, actually. Got some paint work I need to do to it, clean it up. It's been set since I'd say about November. That's whenever I started gathering parts to do the aluminum head swap and stuff. Turned cold. I ain't got a heater in it. Heater stopped working, so I parked it. Had a 2002 truck. Love this car. I had a 2002 Chevy truck that I used as a daily throughout the winter, but should be good now. Summer, it's got an air conditioner, but it doesn't work very well. Probably blower motors out or something, but so that's what I'm going to work on next. Well, maybe not next, but next little bit. That's an excellent daily. I couldn't be happier with it. But hopefully now that it's getting warmer, I can get out and take y'all around, let y'all see the countryside, mountains. The channel's called 6 Speeds and Sceneries. I hope to be able to do things, with cars and, just show y'all beautiful sights, because I love exploring. If that's something I could do for the rest of my life, is get out and ride around, I would, totally. Hope to one day be able to do something like Roadkill does. Be able to go out, buy a car, road trip it back home, just see sights. That's just my dream. But for right now, I'm just showing y'all some beautiful sights around southern Kentucky. See how y'all like seeing some mountains. If you're all out west or something, seeing this beautiful Appalachian mountain range. But I guess I'll end this here. Thank you all for watching. I'll leave the links to Ford Speed Films down in the description. But leave it a like, tell me what y'all want to see. Hell, I'll do anything. But see y'all later. Peace.